Unboxing tayo ngayon ng Q-Posket One Piece Film Red Uta. So, MISB. Ito yung base. In fairness, compared dun sa dalawa, may texture yung base na to. Made of plastic pa din as usual, and kanyang markings nandito sa ilalim. Bandai Spirits, made in China. Number 2682527. So, kung serial number to nung nagawa. So, meron tayong 2 million pieces. Tama ba? And then, ito kanyang body. May markings din dito. Bandai Spirit China. At ang kanyang head sculpt. Buuin na natin. Feet. There. And lagay natin ang kanyang head.
Wouldn't you rather I explain Uta's powers?
We've just been walking in circles and you figured that out?
This may be hard for you guys to believe, but this world isn't real. It's more like a fantasy.
Huh?
What you're seeing around you is an illusion. Or rather, it's an imaginary world that Uta created with her power.
So, of all... So, sa mga nabuksan kong Uta na PVC, this one ang may pinaka... what do you say, softest na expression sa kanyang face. There's a hint of sadness ako nakikita. Yung eyes niya, hindi kasi siya painted like the other ones. Pero ang ganda ng quality ng print. And I really like this. First time ko magkaroon ng Q-Posket. Maganda quality nito. Mas hindi kita yung seams. Mas makinis siyang tingnan compared sa GMG. And dun sa DXF. Even yung paint job mas maganda sa kanya. Yung wings, same as before. Could have put a little more effort. Mas matitail ng konti sana. And sa kanyang headset, maganda ang lines. Maganda yung pagka-paint. Pero if you're gonna nitpick, may konting noticeable na lagpas ng paint. But first look, ganda niya. Dito sa head, kitang-kita mo yung seams kung saan pinag-dikit yung mold. But it's okay. Kasi para siyang nagmukhang division ng head sa kanyang bangs. I like this one. Rollerblades, mas maganda ang paint job compared sa DXF and Glitter and Glamour. All in all, kung i-rate ko yung Q-Posket na Uta, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Galing, ganda.